Hello, kings and queens. It's Keisha again with part two of Who Am I? I had to make that video, which I thought was quick, and it literally took an hour and some change for that video to load. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try to be as brief as possible until I can get my little equipment equipped the way I need it to be in order for things to upload a little quicker. But anyway, to continue on, I made a little list out that helped me out with this video, so I can continue from where I left off. So with that said, I'm going to begin. I said I had some things for you guys that I wanted to share with you real quick about some products that I use myself that works for me. Just know, you guys, that anything I may show you, for one, I am not a person that's getting paid to show any products. This is just me trying to help and just to give you guys out there with lupus, and if you got family members that are watching this and want to share it with their family members who have lupus, these are just some items that I use, some products, like for my skin, because having lupus can really make your skin very dry. Even though right now my skin may not look dry, maybe because I do have a little foundation on, I do try to look pretty, got the little bit of hair going on, I try, I try. I have an illness, and but I ain't dead, so I like to be pretty. I like to look beautiful. I like to look cute. Yes, I do. Okay, with that said, my first product I want to show you guys is a product called Cetaphil. It's a moisturizing cream that I use on my face. Actually, I'm doing this backwards. See? Same type of product. Name, I don't know how to do this. I feel retarded right now. Okay, you can see that I'm new to this. Cetaphil. It's the moisturizing antibacterial bar. I use this to wash my face. It's for chronic dry skin, and this helps me perfectly. When I wash my face, I just dry my face with a paper towel, and I use it for my son because he has a chronic skin condition, and it did wonders for him. So that's Cetaphil. I also use, because we all know whether you have illness or not, you need to moisturize your skin, especially if you wear makeup of any sort. You need to moisturize yourself. I use Cetaphil, so even if I use makeup or whatever, I still use this. It's not that heavy on the face. It's pretty light. You don't need that much, but a couple of dabs. So this could last me like over a month, maybe like a month or two, depending on, because I use it for my whole body, not just my face. So that's Cetaphil. Okay, but remember, everybody is different, guys. So if you do have lupus, just remember to consult your dermatologist about all and any of these products. Take them with you, or ask them about it, because everybody's skin is different. So this works for me, but if you have a dermatologist, before you try anything new, ask them. Also, I use for my face, because everybody can't wear all kinds of makeup. I use Mary Kay. Mary Kay Time Wise Maddie Wear Liquid Foundation. That's what I use. And this one is bronze 5. But I also can use bronze 6. They have combination to oily skin or combination to dry skin. They have normal to dry, normal to oily. It all depends on your skin type. That's for me. It depends on the season. I can use the oily one season, and the next season I'm dry. So it all depends. So that's Mary Kay's foundation that I can use. And on my lips, you can see I really don't have on anything now, but my sister introduced this to me, Caramel Mousse by Black Opal. Oh my God, I love it. It's very natural, very smooth going on. So I can hit some of it on now, so you can just see a little bit. You see the difference. Okay. too much. I don't like too much on it. But I'm not no beauty guru, so don't get it twisted. That's not me. I'm going to have some people coming on here to share some beauty tips with you. And if I do share any beauty tips, it's something that I use or something that somebody else has told me about that I can give you knowledge on. Otherwise, I'm not a beauty guru at all. But I do love image and style. I live for that. I think I'm a little over 5 minutes for this video. But what I do want to say before I leave is I will have another video most likely tomorrow, and then I can talk about some other things with you guys. I want to let you know, to all of you out there with lupus, take every day at a time. It's a process. Okay? Find whatever spiritual, whatever enlightens you, wisdom, encouragement that you can find. You can probably YouTube and search for some other channels that may be inspirational to you guys. I've kind of researched. I didn't really see much of anybody doing specifically what I'm doing, but there is knowledge out there. So if you guys know anybody that's out there that's doing what I'm doing with these videos, link them to me. Let's link together. Let's network. It's a beautiful thing, you know. You know, I want to share. I love all of you guys out there, and I know what it is to live with this illness, and I just want you all to know that I love all you guys, and to all the family members and friends, please know, support the one that you love with lupus. They're not lying when they say they're in pain. Trust me, they're in a lot of pain. Love them, give them all the support you can, hugs, kisses, encouragement, smile for them if you have to, because sometimes we can't smile, you know. I'm just a little different than a lot of people. I have a calling, so this is what I do, you know. When you guys can't smile, I'm going to smile for you. You know, there's going to be times when I may not feel well, but I'm still going to come in on here and I'm going to talk to you because I want to bring everything to you raw. I want you to see me when I'm not feeling well, when I'm not all dolled up, you know, and how I feel. And I want to be able to talk to you guys and tell you how I'm feeling because that helps you too, let you know you guys, you're no different. You know, we all special. And I just want you to know that I will be bringing you more videos as I can. Like I said, this one is probably going to take a little minute to load. So bear with me, guys. I love you. And remember to smile. Toodles.